Ako si Jeric Chua. I'm one of the managers here at NBT. I'd say we'd have a very intimate relationship with the products. Kasi the family, ako, my brother, my father, my sister, and also my mother, the whole family is very intimate with the products. Why? Because we're the ones who are developing the products. We taste the products before we even let them out. We're the one conceptualizing kung ano ba yung magiging gusto ng mga tao or what would be something that people would actually want to try and love. I might be, the Hopia custard. Bakit custard? Kasi the custard is the new breed of Hopia. During the 1980s, there were only two flavors of Hopia. It was baboy and munggo. So, nung na-invent ng father ko yung Hopia ube, that was the time na nagkaroon ng first ever modern flavor ng Hopia. Kumbaga, yun yung pinakaunang flavor, and then we had pandan, we had mochaccino, up to now, we have more than 20 different flavors of Hopia. And right now, we came up with yung Hopia Custard series. Ano yung Hopia Custard? It's even newer. Kasi dati kung ang Hopia, kailangan mo kainin ng mainit para maging masarap. This time, naging mas innovative kami at ginawa namin yung Hopia na pwede mong kainin ng malamig. So, you get it right out of the refrigerator, pwede mo na siyang kainin at mas masarap siya pag malamig. Especially during Chinese New Year, ang malalakas talaga dyan is syempre yung tikoy at syempre yung hopia. Bakit? Kasi yung tikoy, gustong-gusto natin yan for three things. Unang-una yung pagiging bilog. So, walang kanto, never-ending, tsaka hugis pera. Pangalawa, yung pagiging matamis. So, we're sweet to each other, the whole year round. And pangatlo, yung pagiging malagkit niya. Kasi pag malagkit, it will signify close family ties, yung bonding ng pamilya. So, NBT was established in 1912. So, currently, we're 104 years old. It was started by my great-grandfather, Mr. Chua Chu Hong, and then passed on to my grandfather, then sa tatay ko, then ngayon sa aming mga magkakapatid. Ang inspiration namin sa NBT is actually our customers. Ang customers kasi namin, we love and treasure our customers. Kaya, we try our best to come up with new innovative products each and every time. So, ang gusto namin kasi pag pumunta kayo sa NBT, every time na pagpunta mo, meron kang bagong makikita, may bago kang masusubukan, never to compromise our quality. Although, ang NBT is not the cheapest brand in the market, but we're, of course, the best quality brand. Ang laging sinasabi sa akin ng father ko, hindi na baling mahal, basta sulit. Paano namin ginagawang sulit yung products? Hindi namin kino-compromise yung quality. Kung ano yung binili mo na quality at lasa noon, hanggang ngayon, ganun pa rin, or it's even better. So, yun ang lagi namin ginagawa. We continuously innovate, we continuously improve our products para siguradong every time na pumupunta yung mga customers, inaalagaan namin yung customers, at sigurado sila naman ay matutuwa at hindi sila magsasawang bumalik-balik. Dahil, unang-una, hindi sila madi-disappoint sa pagkain, and the service what we want to give is, of course, yung kumbaga matutuwa rin yung customer sa amin. Kung naalala nyo, before ang hopia is nakabalot siya ng kamay, yung bilog na nirorolyo. We were the first one to use pillow packing. And then we were also the first one to use foil pack to increase the shelf life. Kasi ang hopia ng NBT, we don't use preservatives. So the way for us to be able to increase the shelf life is to ensure na maganda yung packaging. Pangalawa, malinis yung gawaan. Ang taste ng NBT is bold. Bakit bold? Kasi yung gamit naming materials, for example, the milk that we get is not kung saan-saang milk lang. No? We get it from Australia or New Zealand, where the best milk comes from. Same is true with all our other ingredients. We only get the best. Para naman, pag nakain ng tao, talagang iba yung lasa. Alam nyo, para maging masarap ang pagkain, very simple lang naman eh. Kailangan wag mong tipirin. I'm Jerry Chua of NBT, proud to be entrepreneur.